new in Vulcan 11, we have a new function called run estimation multi. So the previous run estimation, the one above that, ran your estimations and it ran them sequentially. So if you were doing a series like this, in this data set, we've got copper, I've got gold, and I've got molybdenum, it would do copper, do gold, and then do molybdenum in that order. The new function, which we did introduce in Vulcan 10.1, but only at the command line, now has a user interface. So we have our block model estimation file, and we have the estimation IDs, which you can pick from the list once you've selected them. So now, when I go save and run and select the block model for which I'm going to work on, it will take all of these 10 estimation IDs and multi-thread the process throughout all of these simultaneously. So instead of first doing copper, then gold, then lead, then molybdenum, it's doing all of these at the same time. So it breaks the process up in the 8 threads that I've got there in my CPU, does the processing, puts them back together, and gives us the results in our block model. Now this process happens behind the scenes. You don't have to worry about that. You just set up your spec file and away it goes. This also, as I said before, was scriptable in 10.1, but now you can set it up and run it through the interface in Vulcan 11. In this particular data set, it's only a small one with 2 million blocks. I'm getting a 3-fold improvement in speed in terms of the estimation. Some of our test data sets where we're getting up to 10 times speed improvement. So if you've got a big data set and takes with a lot of domains, a lot of estimation, you've got to get a significant speed improvement with Vulcan 11 using this new function.